So guys, today we are making for breakfast. I thought I would be making a very easy recipe. It's a buttermilk French toast. I have taken 1 egg for that. I have taken 3 slices of bread. I have taken 3 tablespoons sugar, white sugar, and 3/4 cup of buttermilk and 1 tablespoon of butter I will be using. Right, so these are the only 1 2 3 4 5 ingredients that I will be using to make the French toast. Into this mixture I'm also going to put a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 drops of vanilla, because vanilla gives a very good flavor, and I'm going to whisk all of this. Guys, I have put the French toast and I have put it on a medium low heat so that it could brown from both sides. See that this French toast is browned up really well from the sides. You can see that it's done. See? And this is ready to be put in a plate. So we're going to put some butter and put our next French toast. French toast is absolutely ready. It's so delicious. I just had a bite. You can make 3 to 4 with that quantity, and please subscribe to my channel, guys. Your one subscription will be really helpful for me. Please like my channel, guys, and also give me your feedback as to what other recipes you would like to see. This recipe is very easy, and if you need to give me any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section, and please enjoy with your friends and family this recipe. Thanks, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys.